Good morning. Well, we woke up to a surprise. Winter wonderland this morning. It started snowing sometime around 4 o'clock, and man, it was coming down. So we've probably got 3 inches. So trail's going to be interesting today. We'll have to pay real close attention. But stayed nice and warm in the shelter. But today's certainly going to be interesting. We knew it was coming sometime. Just didn't expect it to be tonight or last night. So, all right, we're going to get moving here in a little bit. Out. All right, back again. Let me get all my gear squared away here. All right, back again. Still a winter wonderland. So the changes I made to my gear worked very well. My thermometer said 24 degrees last night, and I was perfectly warm. So actually sweating at some points during the night. It did get chilly this morning, but that was all right. I was ready to be up. That's when we came out and found out all the snow. So I tell you. My weather app said there was a small chance of some light snow, but I think it blew it. So we've only got probably 3 inches. There's some spots like I'm walking through right now. You can see that it's drifting, so it's a little higher. But we're not post holing or anything like that. One benefit of snow is that it cushions your feet. It's like wearing insoles. So it's funny. But just another day on the Appalachian Trail. We knew it was coming eventually. So I guess it doesn't matter whether it comes now or not. But so looking at the weather forecast, it's supposed to, the temperatures they're not going to warm up, I guess, but they're just going to moderate a little better. So nighttime temps will be above freezing. So that's certainly doable. So shelter life, wasn't bad last night. Wasn't bad at all. I did sleep good. Gosh, I slept about 10 hours. So, and stayed warm. Once it started snowing and it was blowing around, it was kind of swirling through the whoops, almost fell there. It was swirling through the shelter, and it kept hitting me in the face. So, but today, those of you who watched my pre-hike, my cold weather pre-hike video, that's pretty much what I'm wearing today, with the addition of my rain pants. So, on my feet, as always, my Ultras with my wool socks and my Injinji toe liners. On my legs, I have my hiking pants, my Gander Mountain hiking pants. And over top of that, my rain pants, my Z-Packs rain pants. On my torso, I have a long sleeve t-shirt. I have my Patagonia Cap 4 hoodie, and then my rain jacket. I've got my light gloves on, and then on my hat I've got my Z-Packs beanie, or on my head I've got my Z-Packs beanie, and I'm using my neck gaiter as well, so my wool gaiter. And I'm fine. So, not cold at all. Which I knew it would be. I was hiking in Ohio in 9 degrees in this, and it was perfectly fine. So, alright folks, I'll come back to you a little later. Alright, I'm going to treat you guys to a little bit of a view. To be honest, it's too cold to pull up my guidebook, so I'm not real sure where we're at, but we're on a bald. And it's just beautiful up here. I'll give you a 360 without making you sick. Look at how beautiful those mountains are. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, come back later. Mountains as far as the eye can see. Alright.